Hi, today I will tell you how to find burned out LED in this LED lamp using multimeter. So watch this video and subscribe. So for finding burned out LED, I use multimeter, digital multimeter. So you see, I just use this position ohm meter for finding the burned out one. So there is some polarity plus and minus. So you must just connect correctly, because it is very important. Otherwise you cannot find out. So I just check every LED for finding the burned out LED. So I can tell you that it is not working with all multimeters. I use the simple one. For example, I have also this multimeter, but it is not working with this LED. So using this tester, I cannot find the burnt out one. So I use the simple one, and I use it more years, so it helps me for find burned out LED. So I check all of them, and also in the LEDs on the bottom. Please connect correctly, plus and minus. You can see on the PCB plate they indicate minus and plus, because if you reverse polarity, it is not working. And we see this one is not working, and we must replace this LED with new one. Before installing new one, please check new one for if it's working or not, and please just solder it correctly using correct polarity. Thanks for watching. Today I told you how to find burnt out LED in this LED lamp. Subscribe for my channel, so make comments and also share this with this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.